What's going on, y'all? Crazy Pop here. And guess what? It's Thanksgiving. It's time for Christmas. The holidays are here. That means we got to step up our game and start making some dishes for the holiday meals and dinners and all the other good stuff. Guess what? We're not on the Blackstone today. We are on the pellet grill. We've done some pellet grills in the past, and we're going to continue doing that. Probably do some more. We're going to make a bacon smoked mac and cheese tonight. Now, we've done a smoked mac and cheese in the past. The link for that is down in the description. And it's one of our favorites. We love the smoked mac and cheese. Super simple, super easy, but tonight we're going to step it up a notch. Make some bacon. Bacon makes everything better. Name one thing bacon don't make better. Makes everything better. So tonight we're going to add a layer of bacon on top of that mac and cheese, that smokiness, and that bacon, and it's going to be so good. So, before we get to showing you how to do all this, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, get all that done. It really helps us out. We're growing so quick, and we really appreciate everybody who's joined us along. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We would love to have you with us. If you've been here, hey, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Please leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you'd like to see us do maybe try to cook. Don't forget, you've left suggestions before, and I are still working with those suggestions. Well, I hadn't forgot about them. Don't think we have. There's some things coming up we're working on. But tonight, today, this evening, we're doing a bacon smoked mac and cheese. So let's show you how we're going to cook all this. All right, y'all. We got to get the grill fired up. So we're going to open this lid up. We're going to come down here. We're going to turn this thing on. Now it's set for high heat, or high smoke, which is about 225. Now we have a hickory wood in the pellet hopper over here. As you see, it's not completely full, but there is a hickory wood down in there. So let's get the smoke rolling. Okay, y'all, this is probably the simplest mac and cheese you will ever make, but probably one of the best, I promise you. So to start off with, we have 1 pound of elbow noodles that we've already pre-boiled, and they are cooled down. So them are ready to go. We have 3 cups of half and half back here. We have half of a stick of butter already tabbed up. We have a big old bag, 2 pounds of Colby Monterey Jack cheese. Now you use whatever kind of cheese you like. We have found this to be really, really good in this mac and cheese. We have a pound of bacon that we've already fried and crumbled up. We have some pepper here that we're going to kind of top it all off with. And the size pan you need, we're just using one of these old tin foil, these little tin pans from Walmart. You see the size there. It's what, 12 inch by 9.2 inch, whatever. But anyhow, that size pan works perfect for all this measurements. And that's it, y'all. I mean, this is that simple. It is that simple. So once we get the smoke rolling and that grill gets ready, we're gonna cook. Look there, y'all. That smoke is rolling. Now, while the grill is heating up and getting ready, we can go ahead and mix this together. So what we're gonna do first is go ahead and pour our 3 cups of half and half in. Y'all see all the smoke rolling through here? Throw our butter in. It's gonna be good, y'all, I'm telling you. And from here, we'll just take cheese. Now, as far as the cheese goes, I'm gonna use most of this bag right now. And I'm gonna save some to top it off. Top it off with at the end. So actually, I'm gonna use all the cheese. You can kind of see what we have left there. And from here, just take it and just stir it up good. Get it nice and incorporated all together. Okay, once you got it all mixed up like you want, at this point you just pour it in the pan. Now I'm not worried about making it all topped off and flat and pretty, because what we're going to do is we're going to kind of stir it every now and then. Let that smoke get out all through there. Get all that goodness out of here. There we go. Now once the grill's ready, we'll throw it on there. All right, y'all, we're getting close to temp, so we're gonna go ahead and put this thing on here. Let's lift this lid up here and get crazy down and slide it on there. Oh yeah, there we go. Put it right about the center. Let's close it back up and look at it through the window. Oh, what we'll do now is we'll just come back, I don't know, in about 20 minutes or so, stir it up good, let the smoke penetrate everywhere, and just check it then. All right, this thing's been on here about 20 minutes. We're gonna give it a stir and kind of let that smoke penetrate other parts of it and just mix it all up. Yeah, she spilled some, y'all. It's kind of a full pan there. That's all right. Look at that. It's cooking on down. Oh yeah. Gonna be some good eating here, y'all. All right. So what we're gonna do now is kind of just stir it about every 20 minutes or so. It's gonna cook about roughly 2 hours, and then we're gonna top it off. We are right at the 2-hour mark. Now we've been stirring this stuff up for about, I don't know, every 20 minutes roughly, just to kind of mix it up, let that smoke, get through it all. So now what we got to do is we kind of smooth it out, put that bacon on top, a little more cheese, some pepper, let that sit for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then it's gonna be time to eat. Y'all look at that. Boy. Give one more good stir. Look how cheesy that is, y'all. It's gonna be good just like it is. We're finna add that bacon to it now. Look at that cheese stringing everywhere. Oh boy. Now it's gonna be good. Look at that. What? Oh yeah, there we go. That's 1 pound of crumbled bacon. We're gonna take a little bit of cheese and sprinkle over top of that. Hit it just a little bit of pepper. Now I said we was gonna use the rest of that cheese. That's completely up to you. If you want to cover this up, or however you want to do it, we're just gonna kind of lightly cover this a little bit. Let that bacon still kind of shine through. Tell me, y'all, that's looking good, ain't it? Oh yeah, I think that's about perfect right there. All right, now one more thing. Let's hit it a little bit of pepper on top. Give that classic mac and cheese kind of look. Now I don't have any fresh cracked pepper. I wish I did, but this is what we got. As you see, that smoke is starting to roll again. So what we're gonna do now is just kind of cover it up, let that cheese melt down, and it's gonna be ready. The time has come. It's been about 15, 20 minutes-ish. It's looking pretty good. Y'all wanna check this out? Y'all watch this. Y'all just look at this. Would you just look at that? Just look at that right there. Y'all, I don't know about you, but that is looking amazing. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Now, I might just have to try it. I got to do, it's a tough job, but just somebody has to do it. It is time to dip some of this up onto a plate so I can try it out. Y'all look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look, cheese just won't get off the spoon. Y'all look at that stringing. Oh yes. Y'all look down in there. Oh boy. Oh boy. Y'all, check this out. Oh yeah. I'm fit to dig into this. But before I do, see how simple this was? Just a few ingredients, mac and cheese, half and half, the cheese, the bacon, just a few simple ingredients. Makes an awesome, awesome mac and cheese. And look how cheesy that is. I mean, look there. Look at that. So before I dig in, we don't do many pellet grill smoker videos. We're going to start ramping those up, probably doing more, along with our Blackstones. We're not forgetting the Blackstones. We love cooking on those also. But there's just certain things you can't make a smoked mac and cheese on a Blackstone. And that's okay. It's not designed for that. This is. And like I said before, if you don't have a pellet grill, that's fine. Use charcoal, a couple pieces of wood, cook indirect. If you have a gas grill, you can use that amazing smoke tube. You can pick one at Walmart or check the link down below. There's should be a link down in the description to that smoking tube. So you're not limited if you don't have a pellet grill. You can still make this amazing dish right here. And speaking of amazing dishes, make this for Thanksgiving, you'll be the hero. Everybody will love you. They're going to think you're a genius because everybody around here, well, they know I'm a genius because this. So there you go. Speaking of trying it, we got to try it now. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. You got to kind of do like spaghetti. You got to twirl it. There we go. Wow. The smoked mac and cheese is awesome. And like I said, I told you before, we make that all the time, but that bacon just adds a whole nother level to it. Oh, that is so good. I gotta have another bite. Y'all, you gotta make it. You gotta try it. And if you do, let me know. Let us know in the comments down below. Because I love knowing that y'all been making our recipes and that y'all enjoying it. So let us know down below. And man, that whole thing looks good. So I'm gonna finish this. Y'all get all that done. We'll see you next time.